Photon Almond Oil Refueler Tanker Truck 15000 liters.
Oil pump inlet and outlet valve 15米 self-return inward filling nozzle for refuel oil.
12000到15000 liters volume with 1到2 compartments. UC 240 HP diesel engine, 11R 22.5 tires.